on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
So, if you're looking at it right now, the top is chasing the bottom, which is chasing here, is chasing all the way through.
Yeah.
You have the custom DLRs. I got that color because it went with the theme of the truck right now.
Yeah.
Flow Series custom done there. Flow Series in your scoop. Flow Series in your grill. Flow Series in the bottom. What is your, now turn on the lights, Josh. So now, this is kind of what you were envisioning.
Yeah, yeah.
You said you went to a lot, you want to come by to do it.
Yeah.
They referred you here. We got this part done. How are you feeling?
I love it. It looks real good.
Do you love it? Love it? Like, you happy?
Yeah, I like it.
Like, did we meet your expectations?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Man, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Cruz AK9's the AUDIOZONE here with another day, another video. Walking outside to meet a customer. He gave me a call a couple days ago. Has a brand new Chevrolet Silverado. I believe it's a big quarter-ton, three-quarter-ton truck. He came by, he called me because he wanted to get some custom lights done on the girl. I told him, listen, man, bring it in. Let's see what we could do. So I'm about to meet him for the first time. Take a look at the truck and see what it is we have to do to make this a unique build. Look at the truck right here, y'all. So it's actually a beautiful truck. It's Z71. He wants to do some custom DLRs in here. And that's what I'm working on doing for him to see what we can get done on his bad boy. This is a bad boy here, man. You don't got a truck, you got a beast. There's a difference, man. Jay Cruz, man, pleasure.
Bo.
What, Bo?
Yeah.
Bo, this is not a truck. This is a beast. How tall is this truck, man? How tall are you?
Like 5'11".
Hold this here, look, I'm 6 foot. Look where I'm at next to this truck. This is like, you got a girl?
Yeah.
She like your truck?
Yeah, she like it.
Does she get in it?
Yeah.
Does she jump? I mean,
Nah, she be driving it too.
what? Man, this is a beautiful truck. What year is she?
22.
22, man. Beautiful truck, man. What made you buy her?
I don't know. I just
Wanted a truck.
Yeah.
I went to that phase too, and I'm still in it. My wife mad, but I don't care, man. Suspension work is awesome. I know all this that he has in here. Oh my God, you got it all in here, man. It's a beautiful truck. So we're talking about doing DLRs on here, which means you kind of want to get these upgraded.
Yeah.
This upgraded to do flow. I know you have about your fog lights.
I was gonna see if y'all can do it.
Well, this is gonna be a little catch because this is an LED bulb. I'll talk to the team and see what they can, if they can do anything here, depending when they get it apart. If we can, I'll let you know. If not, then I'll let you know also. This, I know we can get that done for sure. This will be the first one ever done. They don't make a kit for this truck, so there is no kit made for this truck. We're actually gonna fabricate it here in-house and make it happen where, you know, he does what he wants to do and has it doing what he has to do. The truck is phenomenal. I mean, I love her.
Appreciate it.
You pull anything, or you got it for looks and for fun?
I just got it for looks.
Man, congrats, man. We're gonna get this car in there and tear it down. So you got the wheel lights on it too.
Yeah.
Are they flow or they RGB?
They're flow.
They do chasing, okay. Well, let's get this one in here. I already got the guys assigned to it, so we're gonna get this going. A lot of think I'm seeing ideas, man, that I could do so many different ideas. Maybe put a light back here.
See, that's how I was thinking.
To have this flow and glow.
That's how I was thinking. Put a light right here.
I think I'm gonna get the guys to do the flow and glow there. You wanna do something up here? Have them matching?
Yeah.
So like the top grill, this Chevrolet, not the whole grill, but more the Chevrolet sign, have that glow. I think that'll be a winner. If I can't get the fog lights done, you want me to do something in the bottom grill to give it some kind of effect in the bottom so it's not blank if we can't get it done?
Yeah, you can.
We're gonna go with the DLRs. The DLRs, if we can do something to fog lights, cool. If not, I'm gonna comp that. We're doing the grill area behind the license plate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the Chevrolet to light up. I'm gonna get the hood scoop to light up in Flow Series. I think that's gonna be a winner. I mean, now the only thing is, Bo, this truck's not gonna be done till like Tuesday.
Tuesday? Oh, okay.
Well, no, the reason is because it's Father's Day weekend and I want to rock it on Sunday.
Yeah, nah, that's fine.
Nah, man, come on, Bo, let me get you in the shop and I'm introducing y'all, man, what's going on.
Like,
I'm gonna get
Tuesday?
this, man, I'll have it done today, real talk. We'll have it done in one day, but I'm gonna get the guys to start tearing it down and get going on it because it could be a project and it is a one-off. But it could be a fun one, so y'all stay tuned. And I'm gonna get them inside the office, get everything situated, put the notes for the technicians, and get it rolling. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm walking out with Josh to give him an update on this beautiful, beautiful truck that's out here today. And I'm gonna tell Josh what we're trying to get done so we can get this going. So this young man wants to get this DLR'd. I got all the parts inside. It's gonna be a custom made. They don't make a kit for it. I want to do a flow light behind this Chevy emblem here to have it glow. I want to do one here. He wanted to do something on the fog light, but I was looking him up there, seal beams, so maybe do something on those two vents on the side of it. That's what the build is.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yes, sir.
Can we put this off a little bit? We get a piece of acrylic, and then we lay it in behind it.
Well, he needs a car today.
Well, may have to come back. And that'd be way cooler because then you'd get that full flow instead of just a strip behind it.
Well, I was thinking of
Or even maybe from
putting it on the back side here, like all the way on the front. So I was thinking of, instead of putting it in the back, put the strip all the way in the front here, so you get the glow effect.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? So that there, and the DLR's custom. That's what this car's for. Can you handle it?
Fuck yeah.
Let's see. Josh, you're on camera. But you got about 5 to 6 hours to get it done. Alright, y'all. So right now, he's about to take the truck to the back. I walked him through the build. It's on his sheets, but I walked him through. You know what I'm saying? I trust my staff, so that's one thing I don't worry about. But he's about to bring this truck to the back. Huh?
That's how you get in, right?
Yeah, you get in from the back. You got to go into the glass and crawl into the rear. And it's a gorgeous truck, though, ain't it? I love it. Like, I love. What size are these here? 26s, man. So 37 by 1350 by 26. Wow, what a beautiful truck. Suspension work. This thing is raised really high. As you can tell, the top. I'm 6 foot tall, and the hood is right there on top of it. What's happening? What you don't like?
Man, if you get off-road tires, you do the 15 and a half.
No, man, this is for a look. This is not for off-roading, man. It's just an off-road look. I'm gonna bring it. They're gonna bring it to the shop now. Start dismantling this bad boy, and start getting this done for this young man. Man, hopefully put a smile on his face, make him happy, and continue doing business. Y'all stay tuned. So I'm coming to the back to get an update and see what's going on. You can tell we got the Mercedes-Benz. We're doing we're doing a radio swap on that one. We're doing the bypass, but we've already got the front end of this this beautiful truck. Wow, this is huge, man. Like, look at this, guys. This is huge. Like, this is a big front end. And Josh has already got to take it apart. Where are the lights at, Josh? The lighting center?
I threw them away.
You see them? Listen, guys. Joshua. But she's coming together. He's over here doing a bypass. Mercedes-Benz amplifier.
Well, you see what had happened was I pulled them off and they just bounced out of my hands and they cracked, so I figured I'd just throw them away.
Yeah, that's funny. Don't start, Cody. Your game's a little bit different. Go see what he's got quick. Coming to the lighting center. This is the little lighting center we're setting up now. You're gonna get the lights apart. Once he gets them apart, he's gonna start doing the customization inside and see how we get this going, y'all. So right now, he's cracking.
It's hot.
Alright guys, so getting an update. Josh is in the process of opening. Can't show y'all too much about our secrets, but I know that he has a headlight done already. Where's the headlight that's done, Josh? Okay, it's over there. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna let him turn them on and then I'm gonna show you, but that one's already done. He's buttoning it up. I'm just giving y'all an update, but he does have the light on. I already saw it on and it's gonna be ridiculous. This guy gonna have a one-off. It doesn't exist. Custom created, man. We're grateful for the chance of doing it. Josh, say it with me, y'all. In the comments, Josh is the man. He make miracles happen. It looks beautiful, fabulous. Customer can be shocked. That's all we need, y'all, so stay tuned. So now we're here and I'm gonna go see what the guys are doing on catching up on the beautiful. I don't care. They don't want to be in the camera, bro, and I don't give a damn. That's what we get to. We don't care. But guys, we got the lights already in here. We got the lights in here, as you can tell. We're doing all the other accessories that need to be done. What happened now?
I quit.
You quit?
Fuck this. I can't be on camera.
Well, they gave it to me, man. But Cody here is on camera.
So this is what happens. I'm gonna take his salary plus mine. I'll stay here.
And he's gonna finish it, you see? Go home. No more?
I fired myself.
That's called quitting.
Oh.
That's called quitting. When you fire yourself, it's called quitting. I thought you were American. I thought you knew that.
Severance.
No, that's not quitting.
Yeah, it's being fired.
Oh, well, you are the supervisor. You fired yourself.
I fired myself.
Okay, done. Well, that's fine. Hire the other guy you had that wanted to come work. Bring him in on Monday.
I
Josh
get
is on.
unemployment.
Himself, it doesn't go against him not being able to come back because you didn't fire him.
I know, but the thing is that remember, it does. It does, because the thing is I respect my supervisor. If he fires somebody, I respect him. If he fired himself, I'm gonna respect that opinion too.
Wait, so does that make me the supervisor?
That will make you immediate supervisor on the
How
spot.
much does my pay go up?
It depends on what you can do. Right now, you can't supervise.
I can supervise.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
We're about to find out, because I'm gonna start putting Josh in front of the store.
Sounds good.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'll put Josh in front. Well, no, you're fired now, so that's already gone off the table. I don't hire quitters. I don't work with quitters. But anyway, back to reality. We're getting ready to put the light up there in the scoop. They've got the other ones done here. Lights, I'm gonna show you what's going on. I know it could be an amazing thing. The customer is really gonna enjoy this truck, man. So guys are wiring it up, getting everything situated. We should have it in a few to give you guys a full look at the truck. It's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. We get the reveal for this car, give it to the customer, and have another happy guy, man. So stay tuned. Got my boy over here from Arkansas, man. King Sleep up in the building, man. What's your channel?
Make sure you follow the kid at King Sleepo, KIINGSLEEPO.
Man, he's over here visiting, so you got to see the one off. You think the customer gonna like it?
Yeah.
In fact, what we're gonna do now, y'all, we're gonna go grab the customer, bring him in, let him see his baby, and see what he thinks. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just showed y'all the truck. This is the owner, his name is Bo. He was referred to us from a girl named Reina, which I call her Reina, that's not her real name, but I gave her name. But he came out here and tried us out for these lights. I just saw the truck, he just saw the truck. The truck is ridiculous, but I think it's time for you to see the truck. Yeah. So we're gonna go back there. I'm gonna turn off the lights. I do wanna tell you that we have a little mess because it's been busy today and I got some water. So I'm gonna hold you and cover you. I'm gonna have you cover your eyes. Can you hold your eyes?
Yeah.
I'm gonna guide you where I want you to be. Then I'm gonna open up your eyes and I wanna see your response. Deal?
Okay.
All right, Sleepo, go in there. And let's see, let's go get this reveal. You can leave.
I'm a wet floor sign.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
We'll turn off the lights. Cover your eyes, boss. I trust you. I'm not gonna hold your hand, but I'm gonna walk you. Just follow me. Look, that's my back, so you know you're good. Just follow me, and you are good. So we're walking through here, y'all. We got some water. I'm seeing everything. We got a little water here. I'm gonna walk to the left a little bit, just so we get over this area here. And now, I'm gonna stop you right here. Josh, go by the light switch. And then I want you to come over here front, Sleepo. Take a look at your truck. No, turn off the light. I want you to see the truck with the lights off. So, if you're looking at it right now, the top is chasing the bottom, which is chasing here, is chasing all the way through. Yeah. You have the custom DLRs. I got that color because it went with the theme of the truck right now. Flow series custom done there. Flow series in your scoop. Flow series in your grill. Flow series in the bottom. What is your, now turn on the lights, Josh. So now, this is kind of what you were envisioning.
Yeah.
You said you went to a lot, you want to come out and do it.
Yeah.
They referred you here. We got this part done. How are you feeling?
I love it. It looks real good.
Do you love it? Love it? Like you happy? Happy?
Yeah, I like it.
Like did we meet your expectations?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Man, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I love it a lot. In fact, I'm telling him, man, the best thing he could do is leave today, leave me the truck to Monday, so I can go pimp with the truck. Cause I love the truck. The truck itself is bad, but having this, and I want you to know, this is a one-off. You are the first and only guy who has this. Period. They don't make a kit for it. This was custom made in-house by Josh. There's nothing about the DLR kit that exists. This is all made here in the shop. So that right now is buttoned up. And what you need? Uh-oh. So, nah, that's another thing. But you know, you got the one off on the truck, and Josh's gonna walk you through the app so you can change the colors and do all that kind of stuff. But I mean, I just want to make sure that you're happy. So you're happy.
Yeah.
Did we meet your expectations?
Yes, I did.
Bo, welcome to AUDIOZONE, man. Anything that we can do to serve you, man, let us know. On top of that, there's a couple things too, man. We just don't do sales, we do service, we do installation, but we do customer service. It is electronics. Anything happens, we're not like the other shops that the mail parts out or wait for them if something go bad. We're gonna take care of you right here in house the same day, and we're gonna get you taken care of. The only rule you're gonna have is if you're driving this truck and you see any smoke come out the front area of the truck, you gotta get out with your phone and call 911. Your truck's on fire. I'm playing with y'all, man. Listen, man, we're gonna thank y'all for watching, man. Thank you. What you want to tell the people today on YouTube, man?
Yeah. I don't really know.
You're speechless.
Yeah.
I like that reaction more than anything, man. But you know, would you recommend AUDIOZONE?
Yes, for sure.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Did I do good on my part as your salesman and as your counselor?
Yeah, you did. Y'all gonna get more of my business. For sure.
Yeah, man. That Chevrolet sign. I'm in love with your truck. Listen, I just love this truck, man, but I'm gonna leave my emotions here, man. I'm always gonna thank you guys always for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. You know, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, y'all. AUDIOZONE is here in Irving, Texas. If you have a thought or a reality you want to make it happen, man, hit us up. I'll tell you if it's possible. If it's not possible, we're still gonna make it possible. Welcome to AUDIOZONE. Y'all be good and God bless.